Australia dan Indonesia memperkuat fakta pertahanan baru yang bersejarah selama kunjungan Presiden terpilih Prabowo Subianto ke Canberra. Kedua pihak berjanji untuk bekerja sama lebih erat di kawasan Asia Pasifik, termasuk ketentuan untuk latihan gabungan dan pengerahan pasukan ke masing-masing negara.
His Excellency David Hurley, pinned by a deep and long-standing ties by mutual respect, sovereignty, lunch with the Deputy Prime Minister and over dinner with myself and other ministers, senior cabinet ministers are here. So close. So Your Excellency, I welcome you and I ask you to make some open.
Value this history and the solidarity, the memory of Australia's support in our meeting with senior members of the Australian government. I mentioned several fields in which we would like Australian help, advice, assistance in the field of agriculture, food, security, also in
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.